Hey guys, how's it going? How to get multiple accounts with Roblox. So first of all, create a new account, log out of your current Roblox account, and then go to the roblox.com and click sign up. Create a new account with a different email address and username, and then log out of one account and log in to another through the Roblox website or app, and then use different browsers profiles for easier access. You can use different browsers or browser profiles to stay logged in to multiple accounts simultaneously, and then each account requires a unique email address and username. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.